Welcome to Ecoleave HR tutorial. After signing in as a HR, the first section you will see is the dashboard. There are three tables, which is total employee, new joining, Dan today's attendance. You can also explore a monthly leave graph. Besides that, have a calendar of birthday and anniversary. Scroll down to view employee gender or other composition and forecast. As a HR personnel, you can view all pending leave at staff leave details, as well as approve on behalf or edit leave. Scroll to bottom for all employees, replacement leave request pending, and allow to approve as well. As an HR, you can also apply leave on behalf of any employees. After completing the form, please ensure to click Apply. There are 10 different reports available. In the employee report, you can tick the status. In the department report, you can view the details of the department report. Additionally, in the category report, you can examine the category, description, email, forecast, actual, and percent. This section is the branch report. In the leave menu, you can inspect the status of leave pending or approved. The holiday report displays the date, day, description, and state. The annual entitlement report is the most important report, which can be filtered by year, branch, category, and department. Similarly, you can filter the medical entitlement report. Next is the RL entitlement report. Lastly, in the audit, you can see the status from and to. Easily export these report records to PDF and Excel. In the Leave Summary menu, you can choose the All Leave Types. Lastly, in the Other Leave Reports, you can choose All Leave Types. Also, you can filter by date from Date to, Category, Branch, and Department. Easily export these report records to PDF and Excel. Thank you for exploring this tutorial. For further assistance, please contact us at 314-87670 or 203-7670.